Okay guys, this is Glenn with Glenn's Aviation, and this is going to be part 2 because obviously in my first video of repairing the blades on the Scout CX I left out a few details. So here we go. And so on what I've done, I'm going to show you a close up here of the hole that I drilled. I drilled from the inside, straight and true to the inside right here, and after that's drilled through here, you can see where I've put the new piece, the little piece from the comb that I've cut from this comb right here. And like I said, all I did was take the comb right here, cut one of the teeth off, so you're going to have that little piece right there, and this is going to be like your feathering shaft that broke off of the center part of the Blade CX blade right here. And like I said, after you've got your hole drilled to the center here, going straight in, and you're going to be wanting to, when you're reaming it, you want to ream it out just a little bit. So you're going to go in and out, and you're going to kind of drill into the top of the bottom of the blade here, and so you have a little bit of a trough right there. So when you're, let's see if I can get this in the light here. There we go. But in here you can kind of see a little bit of a trough right here when I drilled it through, and that allows that pin that I make from the soft tooth comb to slide in there and be straight and 90 degrees perpendicular here. And so you want to put it up there, and you want to get the right length from the original feathering piece that was sticking out before. And once you figure out how much you have, you just want enough to be sticking in where it's about that far in right there. But you're going to push it in from the back side, of course. And so pick this up here, and you're going to insert it from the back part, and it's going to be pushed out to where it's sticking out right there in the center to make your new feathering shaft. And what you might have to do is take your pin vise, and you're going to push it up in there to where it's past, you know, there's a spot right here where the screw goes in that holds the two blades together. Let me turn this over here so you can see it a little better here. And there's this part right here where the screw goes in, and there's a little shaft right in here where it goes through, and that's what holds the blade on to the top rotor head right here. Okay, that part right there, that's where the screw goes in. So if you don't have the new feathering shaft pushed in far enough, the screw right here, when you insert it, it's going to kind of swell this part up right here, and it's going to kind of push out, and it may cause it to break eventually. So anyways, when you get the feathering shaft pushed in there, the new little kind of looks like a little nipple sticking out right here. What you want to do is, like I said, push it through right here. Once you get through and it looks straight and it's centered, then what you're going to do is take a little drop of thin CA, and just a little bit, you're just going to drop just a little bit of thin CA right in there in the back where you inserted the new feathering shaft right there. And let that dry, or use some CA activator. And once you do that, then you should be able to take your helicopter, and you should be able to slide that in, and you have yourself a built, new, engineered blade for your CX. There you go, guys. This is Glenn with Glenn's Aviation, and I hope this helped you guys out. And I hope that This will save you some time and some money from having to run to the hobby shop every time you break your blades on your Blade CX. So again, thank you very much for joining me, and have a nice day.